2017 Ford F-150 doing a sunroof. Look at that. Dropped the headliner. Glass and everything is out. The glass back here. The track is out. Broken. Let's put new sliders in and reinstall it. New sliders are in and greased on both sides to get this thing reinstalled. Let's go. 2017 F-150 sunroof reinstalled, everything buttoned up, back in place. Let's go. Got sunroof complete all the way. You got the one touch feature works. There goes the shade. There goes the sunroof. No clicking, no popping, no stopping, nothing. One more time. Opens all the way. Calibration done nice. Done. And one click. And done. 2017 F-150.